Good afternoon, everyone. So yesterday evening and overnight, we saw showers and thunderstorms for many parts of the valley. The worst of it was in Starr County. We did see some severe thunderstorms yesterday evening for you folks in Starr County into the nighttime, late night hours. And then showers and thunderstorms moved eastward for the mid and lower valley thanks to the front. Things are very quiet right now. Let me show you the Doppler estimated rainfall amounts over the past 18 to 24 hours. The highest amounts, obviously, out west in the upper valley, 2.7 for New Falcon, and in eastern Starr County, almost about an inch just north of Rio Grande City. That's an estimate. About 1/10 in Mission and McAllen, 1.7 northwestern Hidalgo County. Not too much in Raymondville, about 3/10, and almost nothing for many parts of Cameron County, or at least nothing measurable, I should say. Temperatures right now, lower 80s in McAllen and Rio Grande City, 90 in Edinburgh, upper 80s out east in Raymondville and Harlingen, lower 80s in Port Isabel. So it is very warm, even hot, but at least it is not humid, and that's because that front came through this morning very early. So we've got winds out of the north to northeast behind the front between 9 to 12 miles an hour. It's going to be pretty nice and cool even for tonight. Look at this, down to 79 degrees at 7 p.m. under mostly sunny skies. Clear skies at 9 p.m. 75 degrees, 70 and cool at 11 o'clock tonight. Maybe a few clouds overnight, and there is a chance for some patchy overnight fog. So there's a front that passed through this morning right now over the Gulf of Mexico. We still see some showers and thunderstorms in the western Gulf. Another front is draped over north and central Texas. This is a dry front. This is another weak front. It will pass through by early tomorrow morning here in the valley. Again, no rain associated with it, but it is going to be a tad milder for tomorrow. High temperatures tomorrow should be back in the mid to upper 80s for most parts of the valley. Temperatures right now ahead of the front, 91 degrees in McAllen. Behind the front, only 66 degrees in Abilene, 72 in Dallas, Fort Worth, 67 in Midland, 62 in Amarillo. We'd like to have some of that cold or cooler air coming to the valley, but by the time it gets here, that air mass is going to be so much modified. So aside from a cool morning tomorrow, it'll still be warm tomorrow, but at least not humid, with high temperatures, as I said, in the mid to upper 80s. So here's future track. It's mostly clear for tonight. Because of last night and early morning's rains, there may be some moisture left over, so we're going to put in a chance for some patchy fog overnight and tomorrow morning. Other than that, it's mostly sunny for tomorrow during the day and quite warm. And then for tomorrow night, pretty quiet, mostly clear, and then warmer on Saturday and Sunday under mostly sunny skies. It'll be breezy on Monday, and then another front may come in by Tuesday of next week, giving us a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms. On the water, small craft advisory is in effect for the Gulf waters until 7 p.m. We'll have winds out of the north at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop, and the seas are 3 to 7 feet. So for your Thursday night, we'll call it mostly clear and cool. Look at this, down to 60 degrees. And again, there is that chance for some patchy late fog. The winds will be out of the northeast and light for tonight. Then for tomorrow, we'll keep in a chance for some fog in the morning, at least a slight chance for some patchy morning fog. But otherwise, it should be mostly sunny, still warm, but not very humid. We'll have high temperatures in the mid 80s. The winds out of the north around 5 to 10 miles an hour. They may start to shift to the northeast and east by late tomorrow afternoon. Here's that 7-day forecast. It is going to be a very warm Easter weekend. 88 degrees is your temperature on Saturday, mostly sunny. For Easter Sunday, mostly sunny with a high temperature of 90. At least the morning, those are still cool. 63 for Saturday morning, 66 on Sunday Easter morning, but dry for Easter Sunday. And then for Monday, 91, breezy, partly cloudy, very warm as the winds come to the south. We now think the front should come in by Tuesday. Yesterday, we were thinking the front comes in Monday, but now we're calling for a Tuesday arrival for this weak front. Now, with this weak front on Tuesday, we'll put in just a 20% chance of some spotty showers or thunderstorms, so it should be cooler on Wednesday behind the front and less humid. Look at that, 67 degrees Wednesday morning. The high temperatures are only in the lower 80s, down to 64 we think by Wednesday night, with highs in the mid 80s for Thursday, and partly cloudy skies at least are in the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. That's your first 4 and 5 forecast. Now here's Christine.